Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ravi Kumar. Today I'm going to unbox Motorola Edge 70, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage for a handset, non-expandable handset. Yes, it's 5000 mAh battery, silicon carbon battery. Let's unbox it and see what is that. It's a 5G handset, dual SIM handset. Let me open the box and I'll let you know what is inside. It's a plastic glass box, Motorola's new motto. Yes, this is our handset. First, Motorola on logo on it. Under there is a, it's a just a, in between paper. It is our adapter. Yes, it's a turbo adapter by Motorola. Let me take it out. It's a cover. It's 68 watts charging adapter with Motorola logo. It look nice. Black is cool, bro. It's black charging point also. Yes. Yes. It 2 points are there. Both are Type C points. This is all in this box and Type C point are okay. Yes. Let me side it and let me check it in. Nothing is there. There is a previous box is there. Inside there is a case there. Yes, the box inside have a one. Let me open it. Yes, inside there is a manual also. Yes, nothing else. Let me put side, and these are manuals. Motorola logo in it. Or there is SIM ejector point, smart SIM ejecting point. Yes, it is look nice. I'm putting aside. These are Motorola manuals. These are manuals. Nothing special, no one can read manual. If you want to read, you can pause it and you can read it. And this is second manual. Let me putting aside and opening our handset details. This is our handset. Let me put in a center. Yes, I'm going to open it. There is a plastic wrap and power button, volume button. Upside nothing is there. Need a charging point and speaker is there. Backside cameras and camera is there. Let me open the wrapper. First, let me know you about body. 159.9 mm height, 74.3 mm width, 5.99 mm thickness, 159 gram weight. Front is a bezel-less with punch hole display. Side power button and volume button is there. Upside nothing is there, only sensor is there. There is a power button here, and downside there is a stereo speaker and charging point and SIM ejector tray. Let me eject the SIM tray. Yes, here is a SIM tray. One tray is there. You have to put both SIM up inside. This mobile support dual nano SIM support 5G handset. 5G SIMs. It support both 5G. Backside there is a black. This phone is available only one color, black. Silicone vegan leather. Backside there is a two cameras are there. 50 megapixel wide angle camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. Autofocus, face detection, OIS or LED flash in it. Supporting 4K video recording and auto zoom in it. This is, and this is easy to handle it. Yes. Now I'm talking about front side. There is front side have 50 megapixel wide angle front camera also there, autofocus. Now I'm talking about display. 6.7 inches bezel-less with punch hole display, AMOLED display is there. 1220 into 2720 pixel resolution, 1600 bits nits brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio, 446 ppi pixel density, 91.22% screen to body ratio. Glass supported by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i HDR 10 plus. I'm talking about processor. It have Android V16, 3-year OS updates, security update till 4 years, custom UI, Hello UI. Or processor is there, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SM7750, octa-core processor, 64-bit architecture, 4 nm fabrication. Antutu score 14 lakh 2932, boot up time 18 seconds. Gaming test GFX score 6945, battery drain 9%, heat up 24%. This is all about this handset. It's available in around 30,000 its price. Hope you understand all details. If you feel to know in the comment, see you in next video. Have a great day.